So it all started when the authors share their stories and photos. First, I focus on character design and followed by very rough storyboards. And then I move to the detailed and polished sketches. And after some color studies, I jump to the final colors. And yeah, that's how we brought the story to life.